Hi everyone! So today we will go ride our bike. And she just took a bath. So she has a towel on her head.
And I waited forever after I took a bath.
Ayan. So, bumili si Mike ng bike carrier from the marketplace at dala namin ng aming mga bike. We will go biking today. Hi everyone! Welcome to Authentic Matter. For today's video, kami ay pupunta sa Ciclavia. This is February 23rd, 2025, West Adams meets University Park. And tara, samahan nyo kami. We're around the area.
You know what I want?
So, nandito kami sa area ng Keck USC. Ayan, ang gaganda pala ng building ng USC.
It's $20. This for the good for the whole day. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's. Oh yeah, there's a course.
We're here. Ang galing na ni tatay ang bike. Ganda pala dito. California Science Center.
You know what? I want to crack it. Can I crack it here?
Yeah. But make sure. Oh, tama na.
Can you make sure?
I'll put the trash here. Are we all ready? Magla-rent silang bike nila.
Oh, yung para sa tanong.
Can I eat ice cream?
Nasaan ang ice?
There.
Naku, mamaya na anak. Ang aga. Naiyak pa yung bata. Away pa sila dalawa. Starting to bite. Everyone's waiting for us. Dahil nagkaiyakan pa. If you want more information about this event, punta po kayo sa ciclavia.org. At ayan, papunta na kami sa starting point. So this was the starting point from this area, Vermont and Exposition Crossing sa LA. Dito, we are requested to dismount. Ibig sabihin, bumaba sa aming mga bike. Starting point and yung ending point, and there is also a middle point na tinatawag nilang activity hub. Meaning, there are different kinds of booths, meron ding mga food trucks that everyone can enjoy. So, ayan. Ngayon, naglalakad pa lang kami. May makikita mo, may mga bumabalik na. So, maaga siguro sila nag-start. Pero pag nakita mo na tong area na to, ayan yung mga signage, yan yung mga taong naka-yellow. Ibig sabihin, pwede ka na mag-bike.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Ayan, nag-start na kami mag-bike at hindi ko napansin sa gilid dito nandiyan pala sila Sister Zarin. Sila Brother Romel, naiwan namin sila. Hi ka! Say hi! Actually, this is the second Ciclavia ng mga kasama namin. This is our first time. And balita ko, itong Ciclavia namin na ito is very easy lang. Kasi isang straight path lang siya. Tapos wala namang masyadong paakyat baba. Ayan. So, you could take your time. So, actually, kung may bata ka, it's okay. They could take their time. Ayan. And then, may mga tugtugan, and then, some people could bring their own speaker din. May mga nagtatayo din ng mga booth around the area. So, you could actually stop by. May mga nagtitinda din around on the path. Ayan. Tapos, kapag mga crossing, ayan, we stop and wait for the traffic light. Safe naman siya kasi may mga nagbabantay din na mga staff. Papatigilan nila lahat ng nagbabike. And then if it's safe to go, we can go. May playground dito. Ito na yung middle hub, activity hub nila. So may playground for the kids. And then, meron din dito mga booth, ganun din, booths, and then mga food trucks. May fresh water dito. I really like that water refilling station. Sana may mga ganun yun sa mga marathon nila daddy. That's really nice. And ayan nga, ayan, pwede na kami ulit magbike. Naghihintayan kami, pero ayan, nagbike na kami. Actually, I didn't know na nauna pala kami kila Sister Zerin and Brother Romel dito. Akala namin, nasa unahan namin sila, pero kami pala ni Mike nanguna. Sorry naman. Ayan. And this is the end of the path. Ito na. Nasa last activity hub na kami. Ayan. Again, there's a lot of booths. Different kinds of, hindi ko alam kung mga profit or non-profit organization that you could look at if you're interested. May mga food truck din dito sa activity hub na ito. And then, from here, nagpahinga lang kami ng konti. Tapos, we're actually gonna go ahead and head back kung saan kami nanggaling kanina. Yung West Adam Park Hub. And this is La Brea and Jefferson Street.
She wants to try mga kain na lang tayo na tayo. Are we?
So, ayan, lakad na ulit kami, pabalik. Again, around the activity hub, you cannot ride your bike. And then, ayan, this is the area na pwede na magbike. And, yun nga, marami rin kaming na-notice. May mga nagro-rollerblades din. And then, mga interesting na bikes, ganyan. It is a lot of fun. Ako, mahilig ako magbike. Nung bata ako. So, this was really fun for me. Just make sure if you're running late na to put sunscreen or maybe wear a long sleeve. Which is both things na hindi kami prepared. And then, dito nga sa video na to, nakaangkas si Micah kay Mike. Kasi hindi pa siya marunong magbike dito. Pero actually today as I'm creating or editing this video, magaling na magbike si Micah. So hopefully sa next na siklavia namin makapag-enjoy na siya biking on her own. Yan, nakita nyo. Ito si kuya nga, oh. Isang wheel lang. Electric bike yata yung gamit niya. Ayan. You're riding the bike. You're driving? Whoa. That's cool. Sana wag mo kong sisihin kundi ko kayang piliin. Sabi mo na mahal mo ko, ngunit di naman seryoso. So, we are planning to do this again sa Koreatown yung next na activity nila. Again, if you're interested to do this, if you think this is something that you and your family will enjoy, go to ciclavia.org to see their next events. Ayan, nasa ending na kami. Pabalik na kami doon sa starting point kung saan kami nanggaling. Ayan. Hindi kita.
Luigi. Nakita mo si Luigi?
We're done. Again, kapag nakarating ka sa gantong area or nakita mo na yung mga naka-yellow, you will have to dismount na yung iyong bike. And, ayun. We are just waiting for everyone to come. And, ayan ang anak ko. Oh no. Nakatulog na si Didi. Are you okay?
We're gonna go walk. We're gonna go walk over there.
And kinita na namin dito sila, Joshua and si Jack, kasi hindi sila nakapag-bike, nagka-issue sila sa bike.
Okay, let's get free items.
We will check out the booths. Balita namin may mga free items. Ayan, may mga stickers, lamps. Get some freebies.
You wanna give it to Kuya and then get the money?
Yeah, give the turtle to Kuya. Yes. And ayun lang guys. Ayan, kami ay pabalik na ulit dun sa Science Center. Pabalik na kami sa California Science Center. Ayan, dyan kami nag-park. So, pabalik na kami. And gutom na. Gutom na kami. Tapos na kami. Yung kakain. Hanap ng mga kainan. Dito kami sa Alhambra. Dito yung dati naming bahay.
I know. Maybe sa
Nostalgia.
Yan, yan.
Yan, yan.
Napakaganda ng apartment.
We love it.
Ang ganda kasi niya, pwede mo lakarin yung papunta dun sa... Although,
I know, nasa middle tayo ng ano eh. You could walk sa ano eh, downtown.
Saka pwede kang pumunta ng yung park.
Ah, yeah. We
That's
missed
the
the
park.
park.
Ang ganda ng park. Talagang ano, friendly neighborhood.
Kakain na kami guys, gutom na kami.
Tapos na kami mag-pretend ng ano, bike pa ako no.
Dito kami, Mission District, San Gabriel.
Pwede tayo mag-activity.
Pwede ka na dito.
Ayun.
Ayun lang naman guys. Thank you for joining us for today's video sa Ciclavia. And thank you for watching all of our videos. See you next time. Bye-bye. Uwi na.
Vintage.
Nagbababay sila. Handshake daw. Ewan ko. Bye-bye. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.